Cannabidiol (CBD) oil is a product derived from the cannabis plant that has gained popularity in recent years for its potential health benefits. While CBD does not produce the high typically associated with marijuana use, it has been shown to help with a variety of conditions, including anxiety, pain, and sleep problems. Here's what you need to know about using CBD oil. Determine the right dosage. CBD oil is available in various concentrations, so it's important to determine the right dosage for you. A good rule of thumb is to start with a low dose and gradually increase until you achieve the desired effect. It's also a good idea to speak with a healthcare professional to get their advice on the right dose for your specific needs. Choose a high-quality product. When purchasing CBD oil, look for a product that has been third-party tested for purity and potency. You can find this information on the product label or by asking the retailer. Look for a product that contains a high percentage of CBD, as well as other natural ingredients like essential oils and terpenes. Decide on the method of consumption. CBD oil can be consumed in various forms, including tinctures, edibles, and topicals. Tinctures are the most popular form of CBD oil and are taken orally by placing a few drops under the tongue. Edibles, such as gummies and chocolates, are a tasty way to consume CBD and are easy to dose. Topicals, such as creams and balms, are applied directly to the skin and are a good option for localized pain and inflammation. Be patient. CBD can take several days or even a week to build up in your system, so be patient and consistent with your dosing. You may not see immediate results, but with time, you should start to notice an improvement in your symptoms. When purchasing a CBD product, it's important to consider the following. Source of hemp. Look for products made from organic, domestically grown hemp. Hemp that is grown in the United States is subject to strict regulations and is less likely to contain harmful chemicals. Extraction method. The extraction method used to produce CBD oil can affect its quality. Look for products that use CO2 extraction, as this is the safest and most efficient method. THC content. While CBD oil derived from hemp contains less than 0.3% THC, it's important to look for products that contain 0 THC if you are concerned about drug testing or have other reasons for avoiding THC. Labeling. Make sure the product you choose is properly labeled and includes information on the CBD content, ingredients, and manufacturer. Price. While it's tempting to choose the cheapest option, keep in mind that the quality of CBD products can vary widely. It's often worth paying a bit more for a high-quality product. Reputation of the manufacturer. Do your research and choose a reputable manufacturer with a history of producing safe and effective products. You can also look for products that have been recommended by friends or family, or check online reviews. In conclusion, using CBD oil can be a safe and effective way to help manage a variety of conditions. When purchasing a CBD product, make sure to look for one that is high quality, made from organic hemp, and produced by a reputable manufacturer. It's also important to determine the right dosage for your needs and to be patient, as it can take several days to see the full effects of CBD.